Parul Ka Zaika. Today I am going to make strawberry basil seed pudding. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will require are 8 to 10 strawberries roughly chopped, 200 ml coconut milk, 50 gram basil seeds, 1 tablespoon honey, half teaspoon vanilla essence, and 8 to 10 strawberries finely chopped. First, in a mixer jar, put strawberries, coconut milk, honey, vanilla essence and blend well. Now remove this in a bowl. Now put basil seeds in it and mix well and keep it for 10 to 12 hours in a fridge to set. Once pudding sets well, put in a glass prepared pudding and strawberries over it. Now repeat the process until the glass is full. Tasty and healthy strawberry basil seed pudding is ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then, stay foodie and stay healthy.